Hi guys! Today we're gonna be making slime. Or, yeah. I know this is like our third, fourth, fifth thing making slime, but it's cool. Oh. And shape. Oh, it's the blue one. Okay, and then we have 3 glitters. And then a blue. Where's the other colors?
I'll get them when we need them. Okay. Oh, yeah. We got water. We're not going to pour a lot of water.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one. This thing. Look at that.
Ew.
It's right up from the top.
Ew, now it's gonna be munches.
That's not.
Or crunches.
You can't freaking open them.
Is this taking forever?
Well, yeah, because you got to take off the whole top.
Okay.
Oh, there's little balls in it.
She does the same as Andrew's.
I'm only using half of the bottle, which Lila should too.
I'm only using a tiny bit of the bottle.
She hates it.
Which you should too.
I am.
I'm using a whole half.
Okay, so
Okay,
then,
that's enough.
once you got your glue
Okay,
poured
that's
in,
Okay, that's
this is going to...
okay. That's enough. Ooh. Get it. Don't just look at it.
So,
Ew.
once you got your glue...
No dirty, Andrew. They don't know how to make slime.
Yeah, because you watch... Hopefully they watch our other video. You haven't watched our other video, but... I forgot water.
I don't care. Oh, wait, I should do water.
Water makes it stretchy. And then you pour your water. After your glue, your water.
And you know what else makes it stretchy? Lotion.
Oh, we need... Do we?
Oh, Rosa
No.
puts lotion.
Cool.
Oh, it's already transforming.
That's nasty, actually. I don't think it's supposed to. Okay, yeah, it is. Never mind. This mine is too, and I'm scared. Because what if it's not supposed to? This feels so good. Like, it just went on the top of my face. Oh, no, that should shake paper.
Okay, so I added my water.
Okay. Guys, what should I make?
Wait, I'm gonna add some little bit of glue.
I was going to use that.
Wait, still use it. Don't use a lot because we're running out. We need
I need to buy more glitter.
We need to buy a lot more glue materials. So this is optional. Glitter is optional.
I like the shaving cream off of this. Ooh.
I haven't even added my shaving cream.
Because you're weird.
No, because I'm not weird. And then this is optional too. Full color.
Wait, go get the other colors. What happened to the other colors? Remember?
Yeah. I'll be right back. So, oh yeah, we're back. Hi.
Okay, what color should
Oh
I
yeah, we got all these colors.
What color should I No, I'm adding
this.
I'm adding this.
No, not that one. If you're gonna do blue, do the other blue. That one gets stuck easily.
Okay.
Do whatever you want.
Whatever. Oh, you know what? We don't have a lot of greens. I'll make some green.
Make some purple.
It,
Well, we don't have a lot of purple.
so we do. We got a ton.
We sold out, didn't we?
No, we didn't.
We're running out of purple too.
Oh my gosh! Why are you killing my purple?
Fine. I'll use pink. Pink or purple, you pick. Or blue.
Any. Go ahead, use purple. Ah, this is water. Open.
How about I do a combo? All of them. All of them.
Ew, no. Remember we did that last time? That turned disgusting. Oh, sorry about that very
Yeah, but
weird
we
hand. I
didn't-
have 3 hands.
We didn't do it in a video. We didn't do
So
it.
1 hand, 2 hand,
We didn't do it in a video.
3 hand. It's my 3rd hand. Yeah, it's a helper. My hands.
Okay.
I was supposed
So
to say
I
that.
used that.
Ooh.
has phone and the other one doesn't?
I will not have fun because fun is actually kind of ugly. Did she just say that? No, I did.
Yeah, she did. I already used it. Yeah.
Ew, why does it look so ugly?
What other glitter color did I use?
Why does this look so pretty? Yeah, I know, right?
I'm doing all of it.
What?
I'm doing everything.
No, remember when me and Theo
Yeah, but
did all of
We
it?
didn't do it on the video.
True.
So,
But it still sucked.
well, we want
They're just wasting stuff.
I'm not making stuff.
And I was like, ow,
What
my
is-
third hand.
Oh, I haven't used this yet.
Oh no, you're gonna make it ugly.
If it gets ugly, I'll add. Where's it at?
It's right here. You close it. You're the one that
Look at
used it
this.
last. Look at this.
Well, let's get a spill. They always make one slime in a video.
I know, right?
Oh, we're gonna try to do something fun for you guys.
What? For real? Today?
No, not today.
Oh.
Maybe another time. Like when we go buy more materials, we could do it.
You just ruined my childhood dreams. What?
Guess what? I haven't even had a shaving cream still. I'm still mixing. Oh yeah. I'm gonna add fun.
No!
Wait.
Oh, but that actually looks pretty.
Wait, I'll show them.
Okay.
What? What? I cannot see.
Oh, and that's our fourth helper. Oh, no, that's our third helper.
Whoa.
And I got one hand.
It's
right
like
here, too.
whitish, goodish. Look at this, Lila.
This is my hand.
Look
What's
at
up,
it.
hon?
Lila.
What?
You have to do.
Hey, let's add them.
No.
Guys, we're going to do something special right now. We're going to add our two slimes together.
You just have to tap it.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Tap.
What has to do?
I got a good idea.
Oh, you
I
can
got a
just
way
do it.
better idea than you
Oh, that's easier.
Just tap on one.
people. Oh, look, there's our fourth helper. His name's Juliana.
Wait, I forgot something. Let's play in the living room. I'm adding phone.
I don't know what I'm adding. Shh, quiet, people. Dang, I dropped all of them.
Okay, I'm done with that. This is coming out so
glitter,
good.
glitter,
I'm gonna show you
glitter,
guys.
shining everywhere.
Show you.
Glitter, 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 shining everywhere. Hey, hey, hey,
Look at this.
hey. Whoever likes glitter, sing that song.
Yeah.
Glitter,
Look at the
glitter,
circles.
glitter. Ew. Oh, shining
Fun.
everywhere. Glitter, glitter, glitter,
Yeah.
shining everywhere. Glitter, glitter, glitter. I'm gonna eat it all. Glitter.
Oh yeah. Did we tell them that this is detergent? Yeah, this is detergent.
Yeah.
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 Sha.
Yeah. The circle.
I said yeah.
Yeah.
I'm getting so dirty. Give me a napkin, please.
Julian.
Juliana. It's a name.
Show us the
Ah.
charger.
The charger? What's that?
Yeah, the phone charging.
Oh. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh my gosh, what if I add a star in here? It's gonna hurt like heck, but it's gonna be so cool.
You still did it.
You added it?
Oh no, it doesn't want to go. Come on. Okay, there. It's in. It's in. Oh no.
Life is over.
We're all gonna die sooner or later. No, bro.
Yeah, it's like two.
Glitter, glitter, glitter. Not shining everywhere because I can't even see it. Oh my gosh, I see glitter. Hey, extra third hand, get away. Wow.
Yeah.
What should I add now, Andrew?
What part? Did you add shaving cream?
Yes.
Detergent.
No.
Oh, did you add water?
Yes.
Well, do detergent.
But it doesn't look ugly or pretty.
Good.
I need it perfect. Use the yours look perfect. Mine looks good. You know what? Who cares?
What's this?
Who cares?
It's all combining together.
But like, not me.
We'll just have to do this in the video.
Be quiet. Glitter, 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 shine everywhere. Glitter, 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 shine everywhere. Glitter, 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 I'm gonna eat you all. Glitter, glitter, glitter.
Glitter, glitter, glitter.
Glitter, 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 shining everywhere. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Come on, sing it with us. Glitter, 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 shining everywhere. Come on, sing it, people. What's wrong with you? You guys don't like it? Ugh, they're like,
You guys are tired.
There's a
It's
beard.
like 10 in the morning.
ugh, they're lazy.
That's
You see what we do? I usually wake up at 12. You guys made me wake up early today.
Yeah, because we need to post the video. It's been a while.
It's been 2 weeks.
Exactly, it's been a while. It's been 14 days.
Have to be quiet. Why are you at it?
Oh,
Ah, my foot fell asleep. It's on take a remote.
yeah, I just need to take a moment.
Stop laughing, extra hand.
Yeah.
Aw.
This is my extra hand.
Oh yeah, that is your extra hand because it's Juliana. Get it?
Let's color it together.
Juliana.
So this is the color we got. Oh, I got. 'Cause I did everything.
This pretty. Mine's just ugly. Look at it. Look at it. No, don't look at it.
Mine was ugly too. But you added the shaving cream and look what it did.
Yours is pretty. Stop lying. Why you always lying?
You didn't
I can't
give
say
me-
the rest. It
What?
says
The
that
container.
word.
I don't know if you remember, but he's getting me the container.
Yeah, the extra hand's gonna be in the container. Andrew!
What?
Zoe! Extra hand, I mean.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Juliana, can you move that up a little? What? The screen. The
Why?
thing. Because it sees our refrigerator and everything. And it says our address on it. Shh, Andrew, no, it doesn't. Be quiet.
Look where?
We live on.
Nowhere. You live like that?
Oh my god. Whose house are we in then? I'm scared, Andrew.
I don't know if you guys know, but my birthday was like, what's today, the 3rd?
No, it's the 4th. No, it's the 3rd. Come on, Andrew.
My
Keep
birthday
up with
was
time.
2 days ago.
My birthday is going to be 5 months ago.
You mean 5 months later?
Shh, Andrew, don't correct me.
I'm older than him.
And I'm taller
Don't
than
say it.
These extra hands right here are taller than him too. He's a shorty.
I'm older than all of you guys.
And he's a shorty.
This is like so hard.
Why'd you tell him that, huh, Andrew? Huh, Andrew?
I don't know.
Try to keep your secrets. Let everybody know. Suck
Lila,
it.
hurry up. How long is
I'm
this
done. I'm just getting all of this off
See,
of
Lila,
my
all of our
brain.
videos are at least 13 minutes.
Shh, Andrew, quiet.
And it's 14 exactly now.
Okay, you like my slime? No, I don't. You can keep it. It's monster.
She's lying.
No, I ain't lying.
No, that's-
Ooh, this looks nasty. Like
Lila wanted just to, Lila asked me if, Smocksters are just about slime, because she wants to do other things.
Yes. Slime, 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 slime.
Yeah,
I mean, I like it, but slime gets annoying sometimes. I'm for real. We sell it.
yeah, we sold it.
We got $20 up in our pockets. Oh no, that's my bank account. What? No, it's fine.
I got money for my birthday. I'm not going to say how much.
She has.
It's
He
not
had. I said he. I said he.
I'm going to go back in this video, matter of fact.
I said he has.
All of our containers are breaking.
That's your fault. That's your fault. That's your fault. Hey, that's my container. Yeah.
No,
Uh-huh.
no,
Uh-huh.
I don't know if you guys could see, but the container broke and tape.
Hey, take that one. And go find the container. I mean,
See, you wanted me to put the tape away. I was like, what if we need it?
you are not like that. You're like, no. You didn't put the tape away.
Does it leak out? No, we're safe.
I'm safe.
Extra hand, pass me the tape. See,
Oh my
see
gosh.
how easy it is?
This is not our house. What
You
the
guys
fuck
want to
was
see
that?
something? Extra, pass me the napkin. They know it.
Yes, there is,
Oh
Zorabelle.
my god. I didn't even need it.
My eyes twitching.
Save it,
off.
just in case. Just so.
This is so good. It's better than Angela's. And why are you extra hand
Okay.
toes on my foot?
What?
They were.
Now we have tape.
Ugh. This slime is so good. Ow, my hands are starting to hurt. You get cramps. Glitter, 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 shining everywhere. Glitter, 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 shining everywhere. Glitter, 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 shining everywhere. I'm gonna eat it all. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Glitter, glitter, glitter.
Glitter, glitter.
Sing with us. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Says sing with us.
Glitter, glitter,
Glitter,
glitter.
shining everywhere. Glitter, glitter, glitter.
We should do that
shining
now.
everywhere.
We sing that song once in every video.
I'm the one that make it up. Make it up. Made it up.
Ah, see, that's what happens when your container breaks. Here you go. Oh, dang it.
You, where's the cat? You're the one that was trying to find it. Oh, it's under my bed.
Julian.
Extra hand. Go get it.
Hand. Yeah, you saw him. You saw him.
Saw him.
Yeah.
It was a hand. We talked about him. Oh my god.
Look it.
He's been lying
17
to us.
minutes, Lila.
That's your fault.
Come on, Lila. Okay, we're going to end right here, okay?
Okay, bye, bye, bye.
That's her one. That's my phone.
No, let's stay with the
Okay.
boxers, Andrew. Why are you so mean?
I know.
Guys, we're about to die because like somebody's right there and it's kind of creeping
Well,
us out. And,
I
like,
mean, we haven't done a video in 2 weeks, so this video should be longer.
guys, there's a that clown or something right there and it's creeping me out. Right there. Are you blind? He's blind. He blind. Who likes slime? Have you ever got smacked by slime?
Yeah. Don't even do it. There's a big fat box of nail, but I ain't not going to get a $10 bill.
No. That's not a box. Oh, that is a box. No, it's under my dresser. Now I remember. It's under my dresser.
I
It's
see
under
the
my-
stuff. Oh, under my dresser, under my bed. Oh my god.
The star haven't even poked you yet?
Oh, no.
It starts like literally right here.
Scared that it's going to pop open.
Andrew. Suck at everything. I know.
Okay, thank you for watching. Lila,
Wait.
you end it. You end
Let
it.
me say my AMR. ASMR.
She always does it in every video. Yeah.
It's so good.
Hello,
Thank you.
Zara ain't doing nothing. She's just sitting down being lazy. Me grab the camera. Oh, my legs are killing me.
Ooh, short legs. Get it?
Yeah, see, we got an extra hand. We could just say, jump it out.
That's it.
Okay, you ready?
Instead of pausing the video, because Andrew's weird. He likes pausing the video.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, wait. Okay. Juliana just fell, man.